Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Nerox here and I'm gonna make a quick tutorial about Minecraft Bukkit Server on Mac. So first you wanna go to your web browser and go for the Bukkit.jar and download the recommended build for craftbukkit. And when you click there you're gonna see a button and you're just gonna go there and download it, and when you have it, drag it onto your desktop and it should be there. And you need to rename it so it's have the name of craftbukkit.jar and not anything else but jar. Craftbukkit.jar. It's very important that it's named that, or this will not work. So we are making a new folder called whatever you like it, Minecraft Server, like that, and we take this and drag it in there. Then we're gonna open Textedit, and I have some codes where you can see. Put that in description. So yeah, and I'm just gonna open that there, and here you have the codes. As I said, I'll put this in the description so you easily can find them. But I'm first gonna open a new text edit where I can make a plain text, and I'm gonna just paste that in, and I'm gonna save it on my desktop, calling it server.command. And for the terminal to understand it, it's very important that it's named .command, or this will not work. So you do that, close that down, and you're just gonna leave that, and you just not that one, you're gonna drag this into your Minecraft server folder or whatever you like to call it, and it should pop up there with the terminal icon on it. So now we are opening terminal. We are opening terminal. Oh god, it's lagging. What the oh my god, it's lagging very much actually. Like so, and we open terminal, right? And now we are gonna write in this, we're gonna make a space, and we're gonna go into my code here and copy this, and put it there, and make a space again and drag the server.command over there. Hit enter, and it should be that. Now you want to do is click on craftbukkit.jar and open it like so, and it should start itself. But you will see it started creating all the properties and so on in the world itself. But yeah, and now we're just gonna wait for it to create it. But when you start the server, you don't start the craft bucket, you start the server.command. And if you open this, you'll see you can't open it, so you need to restart your PC and then it should work. And then you could join it over Hamachi and so on, you know, Hamachi, I think so, but you need that, so it's very easy to find out. It's like very easy actually. And you will know that you can go to your server properties where you can do whatever you like with your server. If you want call it world, the world you are playing in, you can go in here and level name actually here and call it whatever you like. I'm just gonna call it Minecraft. Oh, can't spell Minecraft. And allow flight height, allow flight, sorry, you don't use that. And low nether, it's, yeah, you know that. And level type default, don't use that. Level speed only for survival, I think. The server IP, you don't fill it out. And max build height, that's you can raise it if you like. So I'm just gonna do that. No, that. And spawn NPCS. don't quite actually sure what it is, but I think it's like monsters or so. But I just set it on true. And write list is where you can write name of people down, and if you say so, they can't go into the server. The IP can't. So yeah. And spawn animals, true. Hardcore, it's either true or false if you And texture pack if you want a texture pack on the server. I'm not quite sure how it works, but yeah. Online mode is definitely you want it to have the true if you got other joining it from other network. But so if people have the crack or have cracked Minecraft, you need to have it on false, or else they cannot join your server. PvP, that's player versus player. So I usually have it on false because if you're playing survival or so, it's very annoying for people getting here and slaying you and so on. And you got the difficulty. I've just used to set it on 1. 0 is the creative, 1 is survival, and I think 5 is hardcore or something. And just the difficulty is rising with the numbers. So, and game mode is actually the same as difficult. Just if you can control if you wanna fly or something in creative. Max players 20. I said if you didn't got a that's good computer, you can just put this down if you can't run the server as well, because if there's 20 people on your Hamachi network or your Bukkit server, it's gonna take a lot of your computer. So I'm just taking on 10 or so, but my computer is strong, so it can do all that. Spawn monsters, yeah, you know that. Generate structures, I don't quite sure what it is, but I just set it on true. Weave distance, you can touch with that. You can see more if you take it on 1000, because it's what your computer can run and so on. And mod a Minecraft server, I'm not quite sure what it is, but yeah, you'll see. This is quite like the server properties. That's not any much settings you can do on your server than this. So yeah, you can just save that and so. And I'm gonna run through the world thing here and the nether and the world and if plugins, of course, you can download from the bukkit.jar. You can download the plugins if you want to. But you can see there isn't any on the plugins. I would recommend the world edit and the essentials updated for the new version, because they are very good and helpful to admins and so on. And the world, if you know that, and I have made another video in the Golden Gaming Guys about how to copy your saves and so on into and find it. Actually, you can just drag them in and put them in here if you like your saves from a single player onto a Bukkit server in the multiplayer. So yeah, and the other thing that's a world nether, and if you in your save have a special nether thing, you can just copy this in, because if you take a save in the world, it won't hang in with the world of nether, so you just gotta put that in too. So that's actually very easy. I'm not quite sure what the world the end is. I think it's a new one in this update. I'm not quite sure. So yeah, maybe find out if you know. So please write in the description or the comment if you know what it is. So yeah, but thank you for this time. Restart the computer and it should run. If it don't run, then please write in the description and leave a comment if you think it's not working or so. Yeah, and bye bye.